says that you caused the death of the victim, July 1, your 3-month-old daughter. It says that the victim was in your sole care, at which time you consumed and became grossly intoxicated on alcohol and marijuana, and the victim suffocated as a result of your neglect. So the charge is homicide by child neglect. You understand that charge? And the law says that a person is guilty of homicide by neglect, by child abuse, if you cause the death of a child under the age of 11 while committing child abuse or neglect, and the death occurs under circumstances manifesting extreme indifference to human life. Carries life. Do you understand what you're facing? All right, so the first thing is this, Mr. White, you've got the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. If you don't say anything, that can't be used against you in court. You have the right to have a lawyer represent you, and if you think you cannot afford a lawyer, you can ask to apply for a public defender. We do appoint attorneys for people who are indigent if the charge carries jail time. So at this time, you just told me that you wanted to hire your own attorney, is that correct? Okay. If for some reason you're unable to do so, when you get to court at the Moss Justice Center in York, you can have a conversation about that with the circuit court judge. It's not ever too late to apply for a public defender if you need to. All right? When did you get arrested? Last night? Okay, so your first time in court will be April 7th at 1 o'clock. May 13th is the trial date. If you want the preliminary hearing, it'll be scheduled for you in between those days. And I'm going to sign this, and you're going to sign these dates, and I'm going to give those to you in writing. Now, you have the right to have a trial by judge or a trial by jury. The choice is yours. You just discuss it with your lawyer, and he'll be able to help you make that decision. Do you have any questions, Mr. White? Is there anything from the victim advocate? This is the victim advocate. Her job is to advocate in court for the victim, or in this case, the victim's mother. Yes, ma'am.
I did speak with her for the year. She does not wish to address the court.
Okay. All right. So do you have any questions about your rights? Any questions about the charges? I actually do not have the authority to set your bond in this case because it carries life. You have to go in front of the circuit court judge. Okay? And I will write on here that your bond is denied. And you will have the opportunity to go in front of the circuit court judge who can actually set your bond. Only the circuit court judge can set bond in cases that carry that much time. Okay? So if you'll come up here, we're going to leave you the paperwork that you signed for it.